Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating. Hello mga kadarling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Sir Kadarling Budoy. What's up, yo? Happy Monday! Ako super happy ako today kasi last day na ng night shift ko, ng duty ko for this week. Hello! Kayo, kumusta naman? Your duty is just starting in Charot lang yun. Char. Mga darling, how was your Monday? How did you started your Monday? Good? Hopefully it's good, no? Magandang mag-start ng Monday ngayon. Especially kapag holiday Monday dito sa UK. Tingnan nyo, ang linis ng kalsada, walang mga utaw. Oh, diba? Normally, madaming naglalakad dito sa area na to. There's a lot of people walking to the train station and bus stops at this time around. Pero it's holiday, so pahinga ang mga utao. Ayun lang mga ka-darling for today's video. Lagi tayong mag-iingat. Alright?